Mama's silly girl. Mama's silly girl. Little Cookie. Little Cookie. Is that you snorting, Little Cookie? You're going to have to do something funnier than that. People won't watch it if you just sit there and gnaw on that. Okay, got your bone. All right. Trying to feed the bone to the baby? Big Daddy, would you push that thing on that animal and make it talk? Okay, well, one last thing. Let's eat some asparagus. You want some asparagus? Huh? You want some asparagus? Ooh, your favorite word? Asparagus is like spaghetti. It's hard to eat. Lost it, I think. Did you lose your asparagus? That in the covers, or did you eat it all? You want some more? Whatever, huh? The cookie, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, little cookie. Little Cookie. Look, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Want more asparagus?